Struggling to find Amazon MiniTV on your Samsung Smart TV? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First, turn on your Samsung Smart TV and navigate to the Apps section. It usually looks like an icon with multiple squares or dots. Use your remote to select and open the Apps section. This will take you to the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, look for the search bar. It's usually at the top of the screen. Click on it. Using the on-screen keyboard, type in Amazon. You don't need to type the entire name. Usually, Amazon will appear as a suggestion. From the search results, locate the Amazon Prime Video app. MiniTV is actually integrated within the Prime Video app. Select Amazon Prime Video, and if you don't already have it installed, click the Install button. Wait for it to download and install. Once the installation is complete, open the Amazon Prime Video app. You might need to sign in with your Amazon account if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, scroll down the home screen. You should see a section labeled MiniTV Free Entertainment or similar wording. Scroll through this section and select any show to start watching Amazon MiniTV for free on your Samsung Smart TV. Enjoy!